Black cats crossing in the dead of night, little fur brushing the pale moonlight. Bonnie and Clyde in a getaway dream, life on the edge, stitched at the seam. Angel wings and happy soul, memories carved in hearts of gold. We danced with faith, we laughed, we cried, Bonnie and Clyde, forever tied.
Home sweet home, where the whispers cling, paw prints stomping loud through the kitchen.
We see no trail, just a fleeting trace, a shadow of love time can't erase.
We were fire, we were storm,
we were chaos taking form. Angel wings and happy soul, memories carved in hearts of gold. We danced with fate, we laughed, we cried, Bonnie and Clyde, forever tied. Black cats running, their tails held high,
echoes fading in the twilight sky.
little fur on a ghostly breeze, whispering tales no one believes.